Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm a master's student at Trent University. I'm here on the coast of James Bay to study endangered red knots. The southwestern coast of James Bay is an important fall staging site for many shorebird species. Invertebrates in the intertidal mudflats provide a food resource for shorebirds to build up the fat reserves that they need to fuel their long migrations. The rufa subspecies of the red knot breeds in the Arctic and migrates to non-breeding grounds as distant as Patagonia and Tierra del Fuego. They previously numbered over 100,000, but the population is now only about 45,000. To better understand population declines and ensure recovery, we need to study red knots throughout their annual cycle. I'm working on estimating how many red knots use James Bay as a stopover site during southbound migration. I'm also interested in how conditions throughout the year might affect adult survival rates and juvenile abundance of knots here in James Bay. I'm addressing these questions by collecting flyway site data. About 7% of red knots that stop in James Bay have been banded elsewhere with uniquely coded leg flags. By reading these flags with a scope, we can identify individual birds over the course of the season and across years. I can analyze these data to estimate passage population size and survival rates. I hope that this research will improve our understanding of the red knot's annual cycle and highlight the importance of James Bay as a stopover site for migrating shorebirds. Ultimately, my goal is to provide useful information for shorebird and, in particular, red knot conservation. I really appreciate the support for this research from the W. Garfield Weston Foundation and the Wildlife Conservation Society of Canada. Their support helped me to ensure that we had dedicated red knot surveyors at multiple sites along the coast, which undoubtedly improved the accuracy of our passage population estimates. Also, it helped me to spend the summer on the James Bay coast doing exciting fieldwork among incredible wildlife.